This is it, guys. If you're wondering why I'm smiling, Spray Lakes. We're gonna try to catch some Rocky Mountain whitefish. We're gonna try to catch some lake trout. We'll see how it goes. What a beautiful day, guys. What a beautiful day. It's a bit windy, but not too bad. We're gonna have to go down the hill here. I guess we're just gonna have to send it. Send it on the hill. This way. Come this way. Yeah, there is some deep snow. We're gonna see what we can catch. We didn't bring any tents. It's gonna be warmer today, so watch out! Watch out! Pretty deep snow, as you can see. Gotta stay on the back trail. We're gonna hopefully do some cooking today. It shouldn't be too hard to catch Rocky Mountain whitefish. They're pretty abundant around here, around the shores. I mean, pretty much anywhere you go on this lake, you're gonna, if you fish along the shores, they're patrolling, especially in the morning. They're just patrolling the shores, going and looking for food. I've been pretty lucky here in the past. I've had success with Rocky Mountain whitefish, especially. The limit is 5. They have to be over 30 centimeters, which is it's a foot, yeah. So they have to be longer than a foot. It is windy. This lake gets pretty windy. It's a wind corridor here in the Spray Valley. I've seen people's tents fly 20 feet up in the air. I mean, it can get pretty bad. Let's pick up the fattest, juiciest maggot. I want the alpha in the pack. He's got to be able to put on a fight, attract some fish for us. So practically, guys, we're just using a tungsten jig, a gold one. And we're gonna tip it with maggots. Rocky Mountain whitefish, love this stuff. It's a bit hard to work with these gloves though. Hold on, I gotta take this off. And we're in about 25 feet of water. Cool. So we're just setting up, and this guy took us by surprise. First bite of the day. Here he is. there you have it, guys. Canadian Rocky Mountain whitefish. We're gonna measure him really quick. You know. So over 30 centimeters long. I have the marking right here. In between the white markings, there's 30 centimeters. You can clearly see this guy is way over. So I think we're gonna keep this guy and cook it. This guy is slowly trying to catch our fish. Trying to eat our fish. Gotta go, Paul. Alright guys, so we have to put this little guy out of his misery. We're gonna have to head. And that should do it. Like I said, it's all about not letting the fish suffer too much. We're gonna try to get one more bite. So here's the thing with this lake. These fish only bite in the morning. Past 11 a.m. around noon, it's like everybody's going to sleep. We just got a couple of bites, and we're trying to catch a couple more if we can. Rocky Mountain whitefish, never had a problem catching them. Like I said, there's quite a few of them. Limit is 5 a person. We're not gonna go for that. I mean, we're just gonna catch enough to cook a nice meal and enjoy ourselves. Just remember, guys, just because the limit is 5 fish doesn't mean you have to catch them all. It's a tricky guy, huh?
Tricky guy.
Your line is on the ice. Yeah. You gotta let it bite. Just keep it, don't move it. Let him bite, and then you can hook him. So yes, guys, you know, on this lake, like I said, fish past 11 o'clock, they're gonna stop biting. They're gonna disappear. We're gonna try to make the best. Oh, here he is. Good job, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. My first Rocky Mountain whitefish.
Oh,
looks like
he's
a
a
good
beauty.
one.
He's a beauty.
Huh? What a nice slow bite.
He took the little one.
The wireworm.
There you have it, guys. Rocky Mountain whitefish. We actually caught a fish. Yes, we did. We're gonna cook this little guy. We have one more that we caught earlier. Good job, Emil.
Oh, thank you.
So this is actually his first Rocky Mountain whitefish. Pretty tasty fish. Some people think it's a bit
Bony.
but we are from Romania and we are used to eating fish and mostly bony fish. So for me, coming here, I mean, a fish that's not bony, it's kind of unusual. So it's unusual to have a fish that's not bony. So for us, it's the other way around. I moved in shallower water. Should be in about 4 or 5 meters here. In my opinion, this is ideal depth for Rocky Mountain whitefish. We're gonna drop another nice fat juicy maggot down the hole. And we'll see if we can get these guys to bite. Man, this freezes really fast. It's getting windy. I mean, here, as soon as the sun comes out, it's gonna be, you know, a windstorm. Ice is pretty thick, huh? How do you look at this?
Over 2 feet.
Yeah, I would say it's around 2 feet. Big mistake not bringing the gas auger today. I mean, we expected the ice not to be so thick, especially after all this warm weather. But I mean, you get cold, you just dig another hole, you warm up, so it's a bit of a plus. We're gonna be able to see when the fish. Oh, I have one right now actually. It didn't take long for one to bite. I missed that one. We'll try again. Fish are not biting anymore, but it warmed up a bit, so that's a bonus. We got the sun hiding between some clouds. Supposed to be +3 later. So as soon as I started talking, saying there's no more wind, we just got blasted. We're getting quite a bit of south wind here, which is pretty difficult for spray lakes. So we're gonna cook these little guys. We gotta clean them up first. Small incision at the back. Cut the belly. We'll cut it on the top, through the spine. Then everything should come out just like this. We'll save this for the crows. They were circling us earlier. They wanted to eat something too, so I think we're gonna do them a favor and leave them the heads. We're gonna get this guy too. Then we start at the back. Cut all the way through to the front. Cut the top through the spine. And they should just be coming out just like that. I don't see any actually there's eggs in this one, believe it or not. This one had eggs. So this guy's still laying eggs. Get some water. Rinse it up. And there you are. So I think I'm gonna cut this fish in half. That way we can feed them better in this batter we prepared. Shake them a little bit. Give them a quick rub. And then we're just gonna keep it simple, salt and pepper. And I can't wait to have this. I'll throw them on the fire. A little bit. I'm excited, I'm getting hungry. Looks good. Oh, this smells so good already. We have the asparagus, we have the fish cooking. Oh yeah! Can I add a bit more butter? A little bit more butter never hurts, right? I was actually getting hungry. Right guys, sun is up, fish is cooking, life is good. Managed to forget the plate, so we're gonna eat out of the pan. I guess it's gonna be tastier. What can you do, right? We've been dealing with wind, we've been dealing with cold, snow. I think we deserve to eat this fish. Let's give it a try. It doesn't get fresher than this, guys. This fish was swimming underneath us. Fresh air, fresh food. This is what it's all about. Such a sweet meat. That's what I'm talking about. The asparagus got a bit overcooked, but such is life. It's still delicious. That butter makes it so flavorful. Look at this, guys. Nice white tender meat, Rocky Mountain whitefish. If you guys are saying this is not a good eating fish, I beg to differ. Eating Rocky Mountain whitefish in the Rockies. Cheers.
Cheers.